In this video, I'll show you how to download games on Netflix. So Netflix has recently released a new feature where you can now download games from the Netflix app. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need to have these three things. So you need an active Netflix subscription. You need an app on your phone, either it's your iPhone or your Android phone. And you need enough storage space and an internet connection. So if you have all of these, then let's move forward. So from your App Store or your Play Store, go ahead and download the Netflix app. Now once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open the app. Here you need to make sure you're logged in into your account. Now within this home screen, if you scroll down, you'll see the mobile games section, which is right here. So from here, you can go ahead and browse through these games and download the one that you want to play. Tap on it to have a look. Scroll down to see some screenshots and the gameplay. To download it, go ahead and tap on Get Game. Then tap on Continue. This will then give you a prompt here at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on Get. This will now download the game from your App Store. And down below here, you'll get a progress of how much it's downloaded. Now once that's downloaded, go ahead and open the app. And now you'll be able to play the game from Netflix. And there you go. That is how to download a game from Netflix. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.